What's good, YouTube gang? You already seen what time it is. You don't know it's your boy Jambisco back in the building for another one. Yo, Don Mafia, we lit today. You know what I'm saying? This is an artist that I've been low key for a minute. You know, ever since that little controversy with his name, he's been low key. But today we got DaBaby. Shake something. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. You already know what time it's your boy Jambisco. Yo guys, we're back in the building, and you already see from the title what we're dealing with today, guys. Yeah man, today we're back in the building music lab with DaBaby. You already know what time it is. Yeah, DaBaby, one of the most energetic artists in hip-hop, bro, is back. You know what I'm saying? He's been gone for a minute because he had a little controversial thing with the alphabet community, you know what I'm saying? So he been gone low key from him. But the other day, he been social media. He just got a lot of attention from social media because he dropped some songs for the girls called Shake Some. I thought it was called The Fireman, but apparently it's called Shake Some, and he just dropped the new video. You feel me? So we're gonna check it out, see what's going on, see if it's popping. You know what I'm saying? But you know, it's DaBaby. DaBaby got a lot of energy, got a lot of style. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a fun, real upbeat, you know, song. So that's what I'm expecting. You know what I'm saying, guys? And if you're new to the channel, guys, you already know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell. You already know you're in tune with the latest reaction channel on YouTube. All right, we're a family, we're a gang, we're a mafia, we're the Don Mafia. I ask all of them, become part of the family. You already know, so you can stay in tune with these vids. You already know. Yeah man, I'm gonna stay dropping these vids on your head top. You feel me? So yeah man, join the family. But yeah man, we're checking out DaBaby, Shake Something. So I know the girls gonna love this. Let's get it.
It's a fire. As you can see, shut the fuck up. So it's a fire. Get this in the place. It's a fucking fire. It's going crazy in this goddamn building. They need to come out.
That boy got funny marker with that shit. That's crazy. The roof is a mess. Shut up. But yeah man, guys, we about to check it out, man. Yeah man, this is DaBaby Shake Something. I know. I'm expecting the woman to turn up in this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Call the fireman, she a hot girl. Come shake some. Yeah. Bitch. Yeah. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands.
Bro, I've been seeing this all over social media, bro. I know the girls gonna love it. Especially TikTok and IG. Come on, let's get it.
On their knees. Yeah. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees.
Yeah, man, we love those.
Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees.
Woo. Hey, bro, who's this running across the frame, bro? You need your ass beat.
Yeah.
This is what we here for. Come on, don't act like this not what we here for. This is what we was expecting from this. Come on.
Call the fireman, she a hot girl. Put her out. Ooh, I just broke a sweat in this bitch. Get a towel. She say nothing been happening though. Yeah. It's a drought. I tell her put her ass in the L.
Ooh, I know this finna be a bang. Come on.
Dick her down. Go get in time out, you a baddie. Just sit me a spot with the addy. I get up and pop me a addy. I get up and pop me a addy. I get up and catch me a flight. The shit took me about 4 hours, went out the cab. And it don't matter how much she say it, it still ain't no way she can make me a daddy. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto.
I don't know if dancing can lean, but make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Come on.
Bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees.
Ooh, you got the Jabberwockies.
Come shake some.
You got the Jabberwock. Come shake some. Come on.
Come shake some. Come shake some.
Yeah.
That's my baby.
Come shake some.
Yeah, for the girl, let me know that.
Come shake some. Come shake some.
Hey, I kind of expect some crazy stuff from DaBaby. You feel me? Yeah, man. I was expecting some big group type stuff with high energy. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely for the girls, though.
Come shake some.
Yeah. Okay, baby. I see you. Whew. Yeah, we love those. Come on.
I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitches put their hands on their knees.
crazy. Yeah, man. I know the club gonna be banging with this on the summer. Yeah, man. Yeah, the girls gonna love this.
Come shake something.
Lord. Oh, Lord. Yo, the baby funny as hell, bro. That's why I feel like nigga crazy and got full of energy. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Shake something. Come shake something. You know, the girl them are gonna love that. They're gonna be glad.
Making our feels legendary.
She's gonna be epic.
Yeah, man. I ain't hire. It remind me of
project, you gotta love it. I ain't never.
Tell me it's true. Don't it remind you of Lil Uzi Vert? I wanna rock. Yeah,
Too good to fuck a bitch from the hood. You can bring me a bitch out the gutter. Yeah, probably wouldn't even talk to them bougie hoes. I don't need like to give out my number. Yeah, but a project bitches wanna love on a nigga. She don't even need nothing from me. Yeah, this bitch just told me she ain't never
easy though. Why previewing another song at the end? Come on.
seen Friday, nigga, you can keep it. What? Everybody know I like ghetto bitches. That ain't never been no secret. Yeah, maybe like chocolate and yellow bitches. Only if everything decent.
Oh,
yeah,
the one remix the big timers. One that don't yeah, you gotta remix big timers. That's what's up.
Yeah, you know the bougie ass hoes like the pool girls help. Project bitch be punching. You better know them other hoes probably gonna run when it's real, but a project bitch ain't running. Told them I ain't even trying to put up to that motherfucking party if a project bitch ain't.
I wonder what he gotta do to get the clearance for that beat, boy. You know what I'm saying? I got somebody sample that shit. Wow.
I see they got police at the door trying to pat me down. Some project bitch brought a gun in me. Something about a project, shit gotta love her. I ain't never too good to fuck a bitch from the hood. You can bring me a bitch out the gutter. Yeah, probably wouldn't even
I ain't never too good to fuck a bitch out the hood. Bring me a bitch from the gutter. Ooh.
talk to them bougie hoes. I don't need like to give out my number. Yeah, but a project bitches wanna love on a nigga. She don't even need nothing from me. Yeah.
I don't like to talk to bougie hoes. Don't even like to give out his number. One night, yeah, man, DaBaby, you did that thing, boy. People, let me know what you think about that one. I think he did his thing on that track. You know what I'm saying? On both of them, you know, the beginning track and the ending track. You feel me? But he's DaBaby. He's very talented. You know what I'm saying? He's very talented. Energy, a lot of lyrics. So I wasn't expecting anything different. You know what I'm saying? And I know he was gonna have a lot of girls in there, because especially the girl song. You know, said DaBaby love the girls. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So dope track, guys. Let me know what you think about that one. You feel me? And definitely let me know what you want to react to next. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know the Jambisco dance sent y'all. You know, we lit over here, guys. We going up. You know what I'm saying? We taking this straight to the top. We're not stopping. You know what I'm saying? Just join the family, become part of the latest gang, Don Mafia. We're taking it straight to the top. You already know what time it is. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. As I said, please let me know what you want me to react to next. Drop the comments. I got y'all. You know what I'm saying? Please let me know what you're reacting to next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.